Hey everyone, Sheree here. Today I'm going to be creating a pocket page spread, a very simple spread using photos that were just taken here around home one weekend a little while ago. And I'm going to be using this fantastic digital kit by Kelly Bangs Creative. This one's called An Organised Life and it's available at sweetshopdesigns.com. You get all these really cute images that you can use. You can cut them out, use them as embellishments. You can, of course, use these to create digital scrapbooking, but I'm not a digital scrapbooker. I much prefer to play with paper and layer and do all those fun things. So I'm just printing things out and using them like a normal scrapbooking embellishment or paper. So I've got a selection of the papers printed. The thing I love about it being a digital kit is you can just print off as much as you need. So it's got such a beautiful selection. I love that floral, although I don't think I'll be using that one today. I'll probably go with the yellow one here for this spread. Okay, so I have already printed off quite a few of the little embellishments and cut them out. There's things like this little house, which I think I'll use today. The little pot plant, that's really cute. And I've also printed out my own little phrases to add to my cards. I did use the digital files to already create a little filler card, and I've used the couch, a little shelf and a clock, and I'll probably put time to relax under that. I'm also thinking to add a bit of dimension. I do have the couch printed separately as well, so I'm probably going to layer those to create that card just to add a little bit more interest. Okay, I don't think I've missed anything. My journaling's already printed out, ready to go. So what I'm going to do is just go and add a bit of stitching around the edges of this card and the other cards I'll be using, and I'll be back in a moment and I'll finish off this spread for you very shortly. Okay, I'm back again. I've just added the stitching to the plain white cards. I've also got around that one, and I've added my journaling to a piece of the yellow pattern paper, and I've just stitched across the top and bottom of that journaling. So now I can go ahead and start putting these cards together. As I said, I'm keeping them really simple. So this first one, I'm going to add this cute little house. So just a bit of double-sided tape on the back of that, if I can get it on the right side. Okay. Not sure why that took me so long. Alright, so all I'm going to do is just center it on that card. I'll just move these things up so you can see what I'm doing. And I've got the little phrase home sweet home printed out, and I've just got a little bit of foam tape on the back of that one so that I can pop that up just a little bit. And I think I'll just put it, get off there, straight across the middle of the house there, like that. And that's pretty much it. I'm keeping it really, really simple. Alright, so this next one that I've got the couch on, so I've already got the foam tape on the back of that second couch so that I can pop it up a little bit. So I'm just peeling the backing off there, and I'll stick that straight over the top of that one. And then I've got that time to relax, and I'm contemplating whether I stitch it or pop it up. And you know what? I think I'm going to add some stitching. So I'll do that to the second one as well. So right now I'm just going to add it with a little bit of double-sided tape, just so that it's on there. Okay, so that one's done. Now the journaling card, it's already got the stitching there. So I did see there was a little clip, which is really, really cute, like a little binder clip. So I think I'm going to put that one somewhere up there, and I'll use a little foam square on the back of that just to give it a bit of dimension. There, or there in the middle. We'll put it on the side. So that's really cute. And there's also little printed buttons here. There's a pink one there. I might pop that down below. So I might just look for a thinner foam dot to put that one on so it's not popping up so high. So I've got these really tiny ones here. So I might pop a couple of those on the back. Okay, just grabbing that second one there. Bit fiddly these ones, but they're kind of fun. Alright, so I think that's all that one needs. Now this last card, I've got the really cute little pot plant. So I think that will go on there. I have put some foam squares on the back already. So let's just peel those off. Sorry, I should have had these already peeled before I started to save a bit of time. Almost there, a couple more to go. And that's it. Alright, so roughly center that one. Now, what else can I add to that? Oh, I've got that cute little bow. Now, when you open up the digital file, it is much bigger than this, but I just reduced it down in Photoshop to make it a lot smaller because I thought I might be able to use it as a little accent. So I think I might pop that just on the side of the pot there. So I'll just use a little bit of tape on the back of that one. A little bit fiddly. But my tape's thin enough to fit on the back of that. Oh, it just came off. Sticking to my fingers instead of to the paper. Alright, so let's try that again. There we go. A bit more success this time. Alright, we've also got that, this one says Weekend Vibes. So I'm just going to stick that one down and I'm going to add some stitching to those very shortly to finish these cards off. So I'll stick that one on there, and I might also, yes, I might also add that little cup of coffee, because you may see in my journaling I've mentioned that we like to just sit outside in the fresh air and enjoy a cuppa on our weekends. So I might pop that one there. And what else have I got here? There's another little button there I could just tuck in behind, which I might do. No, I think that one's fine just the way it is. Okay, so as you can see, very, very simple. Just keeping this spread really simple so that I can pop it in. The only other thing I might add is the date. So I'll just get my date sorted here. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing this quick and easy little spread come together. I'll pop a link down below to the sweetshopdesigns.com where you can purchase this kit, and there's a lot of other kits there you can look at as well. But this is by Kelly Banks Creative, and I'll be making more spreads and layouts using her kits because they are super cute, and I'm actually joining her creative team, which is going to be a lot of fun. So I'll be seeing you again soon with more of this digital goodness. But right now I think I'm just going to add the date over here. I think I'll just stick it on the side of the house here. Just like that. Oh, and of course it wants to smudge, but that's okay. There you go. Date just on the side. Alright, I'll be back again really soon with something else to share. Thanks for joining me today. Bye for now.